and launch images to iPhone app. Create a view-based iPhone app using Project Target Summary to add app icons, launch images. Create a new resources folder to hold additional icons. How do you use information property list.plist to add items to icon files key? How do you add supported interface orientations? Going to the viewcontroller.m file to check interface orientation. Let's put the download file on the desktop. The folder that you need for this lecture is called Hello iPhone. It should come with two folders, Icons and iPhone-Portrait. Let's launch Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Choose View-Based Application, click Next. Enter Hello iPhone on the product name, click Next. Save it on the desktop, click Create. The first thing you will see in your Xcode 4.0 is the Project Target Summary tab. If you look at the iPhone iPod deployment info session, you will see the app icon section. Select the No Image Required, the one on the left. Right-click, select File. Go to your desktop. Select icon.png. That's right, this is the icon that we want to use. In this window, be sure that you check the box on the destination. Yes, you do want to copy all the items into the folder. Click Finish. Good. The icon is showing up on the Summary tab. Click to the next image icon, right-click, select File. Select icon at 2x.png. Click Choose. Be sure the checkbox is checked. Click Finish. Good. We have added both icon.png and icon at 2x.png to support iPhone and iPhone 4. Now, let's create a new resources folder. Select Hello iPhone, right-click, New Group. Rename the group to Resources. Now let's go back to the desktop. Select the additional icons that we didn't add to the project using the Command key to select the files. Once the files are highlighted, drag it over to the project. until you see the green plus icon. Release. Again, be sure that you check the box to copy the items. Okay, let's select the icons and move it to the right group. Now let's go back to the Summary tab. On the last session is the launch image. Click on the one to the left, right-click, select File. Select the default.png, click Choose. Make sure the chat box is checked. Now let's go to the one on the right. Right-click, select File. Choose Default at 2x.png. Checkbox checked. Good. Now we just upload the launch image and add it to the project. Now let's click to the next tab. You will see there's a new role created called Icon Files. Expand the arrow and you will see item 0 and item 1. Those are the two icons that we add on the summary. Now we need to add the additional icons. Go back to the left panel, expand the resources group. Good. Now go back to the info.plist. Roll over the item 1 until you see a plus icon. Click on it once to create a new row. And click on the plus icon again to add a new row. Add another one. I just add all the icon files inside the project. Let's go to the Summary tab. Now in the Supported Device Orientation, there's 4 options. You can see that Portrait, Landscape Left, and Landscape Right are selected by default. Now, let's make sure that we only want to support Portrait. So we're going to leave Portrait and Upside Down selected. When I click on these orientation, the Info tab will show the selected orientations that I choose on item 0 and item 1. under supported interface orientations. Let me show you how easy it is to use the Summary tab to change the supported device orientation. If I want to support all 4 orientations, I make the change here on the Summary tab. On the Info tab, it will reflect the changes that I make. Again, I'm not going to support landscape here. Now let's go to the left panel. The file that we want to open is called hello iPhone view controller.m. Almost the end of the file, there's a method called should auto rotate to interface orientation. This is a method that is to assign the device orientation when you launch the app. You can see the interface orientations is equal to UI interface orientation portrait. Good. The method is showing that I'm launching the portrait orientation. Everything is good. The project is saved. Now let's run and build the project. I click on the home button to see the icon. Good. I can see hello iPhone icon on my home screen. I click on it. The second time I launch, the launch image go really fast, so you won't able to see it the second time.